Managing blood sugar is incredibly tricky for somebody that has diabetes. And it's amazing to me about how this actually does connect back to diabetes, a topic that I had no idea about as a child, of course. And the mushrooms have all these immune modulating properties. And when you buy mushroom coffee, which is becoming increasingly popular, or mushroom supplements, you can often see on the bottle it says if you have diabetes that you should talk to your doctor before consuming them because it may affect your blood sugar. And taking something like a functional mushroom that can reduce blood sugar, it can be problematic if you take insulin and you don't know how to it can be problematic if you take insulin and you do not know how to adjust your insulin dosage to because you may require less insulin. So this is definitely something to talk to your doctor about if you are taking supplements that may reduce your insulin needs. Modulating immune system and better immune health is definitely something to strive for. But if you are already on some of these insulins, some of these long acting insulins, they can last for a couple of days, and you do not want to get low blood sugar because you're taking something that is reducing your insulin needs. So it's a balancing act for sure, and it needs way more research. What I find if I take reishi mushroom tincture in green tea with my meal, I need less insulin with that meal, or I will get low blood sugar later in the day. So I can see that for me, it's doing something. Whether that everybody will have the same reaction or not, I cannot predict. But one thing that I have found that works well for me, surprisingly well, is a combination of matcha tea and reishi mushroom extract. Matcha green tea is a very powerful green tea. And then reishi mushroom extract. Reishi is an adaptogen mushroom, a functional mushroom, and it's supposed to help with stress as well. And all of these functional mushrooms have beta glucans in them, and these are compounds that help with modulating the immune system. The first mushroom I tried that I noticed that there was some impact was actually cordyceps mushroom supplement. And I wondered, how come taking cordyceps mushroom supplement makes me feel better if I have an autoimmune condition? Because why would I want something to strengthen my immune system if I already have an autoimmune condition? But what I have found out since then is that it's a modulating function, these mushrooms,